To us, what's on the inside matters most. So inside every Mercedes-Benz dealership, you'll find a level of service as extraordinary as the vehicle you drive. With innovative offerings like Express Service, which provides quick, exceptional vehicle care in less time than you think, and new digital options that give you more control over the entire service experience. Plus, a team of expertly trained technicians that leaves nothing to chance. From an oil change that involves a comprehensive 37-point inspection and the meticulous calibration of the most advanced safety systems on the road, to the use of genuine Mercedes-Benz parts at every turn, they are committed to keeping your Mercedes-Benz performing at its best. We do all this because at the end of the day, what's riding inside your Mercedes-Benz is what matters most of all. Service by Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.